Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I would do a little unboxing of a brand new, to me, Coach bag. So I got this bag on Tilt, which is basically a shopping app, which is all like live auctions, a little bit like Whatnot, a little bit like eBay are doing now. But yeah, I find it really good and really addictive. And I have to say, I kind of find myself on eBay less and less. I think Whatnot is really good, but it's a little bit more expensive, whereas I feel like Tilt has less sellers, less stuff, but when you do want something, it is really, really cheap. And this bag is a prime example, so let's open it up together. So as you know, I love a little bit of Coach. I have so many Coach bags, and I feel like I'm always up for expanding my Coach collection. So this is a bag which I picked not for now but for summer, and I just thought it was so cute, and it was honestly such a good price too. So this bag I won at auction. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to show you the bag and then I'm going to tell you how much I paid. I'm kind of annoying like that. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the bag, and then we're going to go upstairs, we're going to try it on, we're going to see how it looks. Oh my goodness, is this not the cutest little bag you have ever seen? It is adorable. It is the Coach signature monogram in this kind of gorgeous, kind of caramelly, beigey, camely colour. And then the best part is obviously these tiny little flowers, which each, well, not all of them, but a lot of them have little rivets in them, which is such a cute little detail. It's got the pink kind of patent leather trim, pink patent leather handles, and yeah, the design is on the front and the back. It's just so cute. I mean, just look how adorable that is. And I have to say, it is really nice and clean. I cannot see any marks on it. The corners are in really good condition, actually. That is really impressive. The back of it is again in really good condition. The only thing I can see is the trim is really in good condition, but there is a little bit of kind of coming away of the paint that they put on the edges. So what I might do is I might trim it up and then see if I can take it to Coach and just get the trim redone. But I have to say, that is where I'm going to be holding it. So you literally can't see that when I'm holding it. Apart from that, it is in such good and clean condition. So I think the only thing to do is go upstairs and try it on. Okay, so I'm upstairs, and I have to say, I'm wearing the perfect dress for this little bag. I mean, it is so cute. Just look at that. That's so adorable. Oh my God, it's like so cute. And I can also wear it in the crook of my arm. I can't get it over my shoulder, but oh, I dropped it. But I think as a little handbag like this, it's just so cute. I mean, that would be perfect for like a wedding, wouldn't it? Like, how cute is that? Anyway, let me tell you how much I paid for it. I got it for £19, and then I think I had £1 buyer protection fee, and then I think it was £3 postage, but I used a £10 discount code, which by the way, you can get one if you use my refer a friend code here. Okay, I just looked it up and it ended up being all in, postage, buyer protection fee, everything, £13. Now, it would have been £23 if I hadn't had my refer a friend code, but because I had my refer a friend code, it was actually just £13, which I think is phenomenal. It is the cutest little Coach bag, and I am just blown away by how adorable it is. Anyway, that is my new to me Coach bag. What do you think? I think it's super cute. I think this might be one that I might eventually give to Mary as well, because I think this would be such a cute little starter handbag. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.